In this video, we're going to talk about the articles a, an, and the, and when to use them. So let's start by explaining each article we're going to talk about. The first ones are a and an. These articles are always for singular nouns because a and an mean one. They're also for nouns that are not specific. We don't know which one, we just know that it's one of that noun. We also use them when it's the first time we've mentioned a noun. It's new to our conversation and we're just introducing that one noun, and we use a or an. We choose a when the following word starts with a consonant sound, and an when the following word starts with a vowel sound. Now let's talk about the. The article the can be used with singular or plural nouns, but we only use the with specific nouns that are known to the speaker and the listener, or to the writer and the reader. We use the for specific and known nouns. Now the other group I want to talk about is when we can use no article or use the word some as our determiner. We use these in a similar way to a and an, in that we use no article and some to talk about things that are not specific or not known already to the speaker and listener, or it's the first time we're mentioning it. But with a and an, we use it for singular nouns, and for no article and some, we use these for non-count nouns and plural nouns. So let's look at some examples to see what we're talking about. Our first sentence is, I bought a blanket and some pillows. In this case, we don't know which blanket, we know that it's one blanket. So we use the article a, because it's not a specific blanket, but we know that it's one blanket. So we say a blanket. And here we have some pillows. We don't know which pillows, it's the first time we're talking about them, but we know that it's plural, more than one. So we use the word some here. Now we continue to the next sentence. The blanket is blue and the pillows are green. In this case, we already know that we're talking about the blanket that I bought and the pillows that I bought. So in both cases, we can use the article the, because they're specific and we already know which one. Now let's look at our last example sentence. Pillows and blankets make my house cozier. In this case, you'll notice we have no article before these nouns. We're using this no article. There's nothing there. And this is because we're making a generalization about all pillows and all blankets. We're not talking about a specific pillow or a specific blanket. We're talking about all pillows and all blankets in general. And in that case, we'll use a plural form with no article. Now the last thing I want to point out is that singular count nouns like blanket will always have a determiner of some kind. It will always have an a, the, or my, or this, or that. It will always have one of these determiner words before it. And we can't use singular count nouns with no article.